Do you have a toilet that keeps running after it fills? Well, don't replace the fill valve yet. In fact, I'm going to show you a 20-second trick that just might fix the problem for absolutely free. And if that doesn't fix it, I'm going to show you how to replace this little black rubber seal. It'll cost you less than $5 and take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the fill valve that's out of the toilet because it's a lot easier to see what we're doing. And then we'll replace one inside an actual toilet. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to grip this and you want to pull this loose from this arm here. You just pull it out. Then you're going to grab the body of the valve. You're going to grab this and you're going to turn it about 1/8 of a turn and it will pull right up. Okay, now let's do this in an actual toilet. Before you do anything, make sure you turn the water off or you'll have a big mess. The water's off, so we're going to pop this loose. Again, it just slides off. I'm going to grab the body of the valve and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn and it comes right off. So here's the rubber seal. But before we think about replacing this rubber seal, we are going to flush this valve. Sometimes debris and stuff gets in there and keeps it from sealing, and that's what causes your toilet to keep running. So let's flush that real quick. And to flush it, we're going to put a cup over here and we're going to turn the water on for about 5 seconds. So let's do that now. Okay, so if there was any debris caught in here, then it should be cleaned out. And we're also going to flush this by just taking the seal out and washing it off in my sink. Okay, now that we've got it rinsed out, we just need to put the seal back on and make sure that this long black part goes on first. It should slide onto this metal pin. Okay, we're going to reinstall this. Turn it about 1/8 of a turn. Pop the arm back on and turn your water on at the wall so it's not running. So flushing it seems to have fixed the problem. But if you still hear the trickle of water, then the seal needs to be replaced. So that's very straightforward.
If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up.
So again, shut the water off. Pop this arm loose. Turn this. Take the seal out. You can buy these seals on Amazon. You can buy them at Lowe's, Home Depot, perhaps even Walmart. Now we just need to reinsert the seal into the top of the valve. Push it into place. Reinstall this. Make sure it's locked on. Slide that back on. Turn your water on. And I'd say there's about a 95% chance your leak has stopped and you're done. Now, if you've done all this and your water still runs, there may be another problem with your fill valve, and your fill valve may need to be replaced. And I've got a separate video on that. But almost every time, flushing it or replacing that little black rubber seal is going to fix the problem. That's all there is to it. It's that simple.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.